morning, students. So today I am here in front of you. As I have already told you that I will post the videos, lectures on mathematics also. So I am just starting with arithmetic progression for mathematics for class 10th. So as the exams are nearby or about to start, so that's why I will start with arithmetic progression. So let us start. So what is arithmetic progression? The name is arithmetic progression, means some arithmetic operation to be followed. It may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and that should be in progress. It means arithmetic progression means we are using some type of pattern in which suppose A1, A2, A3, A4 up to AN are the number of terms we are having, where A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term, A4 is the fourth term, AN is the nth term, or this AN is also called last term too. So it means arithmetic progression is that type of progression in which there should be a common difference between two terms, or we can say D is the common difference between the every successive term and previous term. So let us understand. Sorry. A2 minus A1. It means if these terms are in AP, so A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2 should be equal to A4 minus A3. That all these terms will be equal to common difference D. So then we can say that A1, A2, A3, A4 up to AN all terms are in AP. So A1 is the first term, A2 is second term, A3 is the third term, A4 is fourth term, and AN is the nth term, and this AN is also known as last term. So from here we can see D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 will be equal to A1 plus D. It means every next term will be found by adding the common difference between the two terms in the previous term. So A2 is the next successive term and A1 is the previous term before A2. So it means whenever we add the common difference in the previous term, we will get the next successive term if the terms are in AP. So then similarly A3 will be equal to A1 plus 2D, A4 will be equal to A1 plus 3D. It means every time we will add the common difference to the previous term, we will get the next successive term if these terms are in AP. So it means from this pattern we can see that A1, 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 this is the common term which should be in every AP, and every time we are finding that your coefficient of D is increases by 1. So it means if here is 2, it is 2 minus 1. Here is 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Here is 4, 4 minus 1, 3. So on we can find a pattern for writing the nth term, that A1 plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula used for finding the nth term in any AP or last term. So remember this thing, AN is also known as nth term and last term also. So now it means we are using two formula for finding the nth term. We are using A plus n minus 1 into D, that is also called last term, and nth term from last term side, that is L minus n minus 1 into D. So remember this is the important formula. So this is the formula for finding the nth term from the starting side, means from the first term side, A plus n minus 1 into D, that is called last term. And this formula is finding the nth term from the last term side, means right side, means जहाँ पर जिस साइड आपकी AP की लास्ट टर्म होगी, अगर उस तरफ से हम स्टार्ट करें, means if last term is taken as the first term and first term is taken as the last term, then the formula for finding nth term will be L minus n minus 1 into D. So this is the concept for understanding the arithmetic progression and some by default numbers. Whenever you are finding three numbers in AP, so always remember A minus D comma A plus D are the three numbers in AP always. Four numbers in AP. Remember this thing also. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. These four numbers are in AP, and five numbers in AP are A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. So you will find that these three numbers in AP are selected in such a way that the common difference between every two term will be same. Like here it is D, here it is D. Here it is 2D, 2D, 2D. Here it is D, 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 D. So remember these things. These are the by default numbers in AP to be remembered for finding any numerical problem. So I think you will understand this video. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe this video so as to make me post a lot of videos in the coming lectures. So thank you so much.